Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Looming Maestro. I am your host Vedant Chavla and today I am going to discuss about health is wealth. I thought why not make a video on health is wealth because during the COVID-19 lockdown period people are not at all paying their attention to their health. So I have gathered some points for you that will help you to stay fit. So let's start with the session. So the basic fact is why do we need to stay healthy? We need to stay fit for better immunity. So during the COVID-19 pandemic, we need a lot of immunity to fight through it and also to fight from many other diseases spread around the world. The second point is we need to stay fit for sharp mind. We need to stay fit for sharp mind. This is especially point for children. If they exercise or play every day for 2 hours, they will be healthy and will be relaxed and refreshed. They will never feel boring or they will never feel stressed. The third point is it helps us to cope with stress. So the people who are working from home have a lot of stress as the work has increased a lot and they are not able to pay attention to their health. So if they walk or exercise every day for minimum an hour, they will be feel refreshed and they will not feel stressed. As if you exercise every day, you release stress. The first point is it helps us to fight illness. So as I told you, there are so many diseases around the world. So to fight through them, you should have a very strong immunity so that the illness cannot attack your body. The fifth point is it helps us to look us better. So the people who want to look better should do exercise. Health is wealth. The 5 simple ways to stay fit. Walk and exercise every day. As I told you, walk and exercise is very important factor to stay healthy. At least for an hour, you should go down, take some fresh air and exercise or walk minimum an hour. Use stairs instead of lifts. So the people who live in buildings less than 15 floors should not use lifts at all. They can take stairs as they can burn a lot of calories that will help them to stay fit and also they save a lot of electricity. The third point is avoid fried food and sugary drinks. Fried foods affect our body a lot. In a limited quantity, it's okay, but if you take it in an excessive quantity or you take it in a long run, it will affect your body a lot. And sugary drinks are also not preferable for the body as they contain a lot of calories that are not good for your health at all. The fourth point is 8 hours of sleep every night. So there should be a fixed time to sleep and 8 hours of sleep is enough for a normal human body. The fifth point is eat healthy. As I told you that whether it is your breakfast, lunch or dinner, you should take light foods and it should be very healthy. For examples, eggs, omelets, pohas and fruits. You can also take fruit juices. So these were some points that can keep you fit and we should always stay healthy and keep fighting through the COVID-19 and other diseases. So always stay healthy and stay safe. Also remember that no matter how the person may be wealthy, but his health matters a lot. So thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please share, subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Also press the bell icon. Thank you.